What is one challenging experience I have overcome in the past year?
Last year, I faced the challenge of balancing my academic responsibilities with a part-time job to help support my family. The labors for exams and worksheet was incredibly demanding and leaving me feeling exhausted and overwhelmed.
What personal qualities or strategies help you improving?
Several personal qualities and strategies helped me get through the challenging time. First discipline was key. I had to stick to a strict schedule to ensure I meet all my commitments. Time management became essential and then I learned to prioritize tasks effectively. Resilience played a crucial role as I had to bounce back from setbacks and moments of discouragement. Finally, seeking support from my family and friends was valuable. They provided encouragement and understanding when I needed it most.
What did I learn about myself during the time?
During that period, I learned that I am more silent and resourceful that I previously thought. I discovered my capacity to handle significant pressure and manage multiple responsibilities simultaneously. I also realized the importance of self-care and setting boundaries to prevent burnout. Most importantly, I understood the strength I derive from my supportive role and the value of asking for help when needed.
What are the current sources of stress in my life?
Currently, the primary sources of stress in my life include academic pressure, particularly the upcoming final exam and thesis study. Financial concern related to tuition fees and living expenses also contribute significantly to my stress level. Additionally, I am feeling some anxiety about my future learning prospects and the competitive job market contribution. Balancing this concern with maintaining a healthy social life and personal well-being can be quite challenging.
What support or strategies might help me cope better?
To cope better with these stressors, I plan to implement several strategies. Firstly, I will focus on improving my time management skills by creating a detailed study schedule and breaking down tasks into smaller, more manageable steps, seeking academic support from professors and tutors. Will also be a priority to address financial concern. I will explore scholarship opportunities and create a budget to better manage my expenses. Additionally, I will prioritize self-care activities such as exercise, meditation, and spending time with loved ones to maintain my mental and emotional well-being. Finally, I will seek guidance from career strategies to explore